Buying your first car is often a dream come true for many Kenyans, but it can also turn into a financial nightmare. If you're thinking of buying your first car, here are 5 essential money questions you should ask yourself before you make that deposit. 1 is, can you comfortably afford its spare parts? Some cars, particularly luxury or high-performance models, require premium-grade spare parts. This includes imported brake pads or unique sensor systems which are more expensive than the standard spare parts. Research on the maintenance items required for the model you want to buy. This is because the difference between the premium spare parts and the common spare parts can run up to hundreds of thousands and impact your running costs. 2 is, try the 15% rule on your total monthly costs. So most Kenyans focus on the buying price and overlook at what it takes to keep the car running. Daily costs such as fuel, parking fees, insurance premiums, or routine checks with the mechanics are often reasons why Kenyans keep their cars in the car park until payday. One way to check affordability is to apply the 15% rule, which states that the total car running cost per month should not exceed 15% of your gross salary. If it exceeds the 15% mark, you should look for a cheaper model. 3 is, what is the resale value? If you talk to a car dealer in Nairobi, they'll tell you that different models have varying resale values. A car that was imported into the country in 2020 at a cost of 2 million may be worth 700,000 today. But yet there are other models that came at the same time at the same cost of 2 million, but they are worth 1.8 million shillings today. So you need to research on your dream car's resale value. 4, you should ask yourself whether you should buy a used car or a new car. So a brand new car will cost you more, but it will have less mechanical issues and will qualify for comprehensive insurance for the longest time possible. On the other hand, a used car saves you hundreds of thousands of shillings instantly, but here is the reality. Once a car hits 10 to 15 years old, many insurance companies will not offer the comprehensive cover. You will be forced to take a third-party insurance, and if it is lost or written off, you will lose your entire investment. So, are you willing to pay a massive amount upfront to secure long-term protection? Or do you want to save now or risk having no full insurance in the coming years? Lastly, can you still afford your car if you were to lose your income today? Nowadays, many Kenyans are taking the route of car financing to acquire their dream car. This means that you'll acquire the car today as you complete paying for the car for the next 1 or 2 years. If you're taking a loan, you should ask yourself whether you'll be able to make the monthly payments. Should your business slow down, or should you lose your job in the next 3 months? A recommended rule is that your total car loan repayments should not exceed between 10 and 50% of your net salary. For this and more financial tips, we have a partnership with Lua. Lua is a free AI assistant on WhatsApp that can help you schedule meetings, make meal plans, and even help you with your child's schoolwork. You can also use Lua to apply for a business loan from Numida. Visit money254.co.ke to apply for your business loan today.